Welcome to NCC lecture series. This is lecture number 41 and today we discuss the most important topic, unity in diversity. We know that India is a vast country with diversity in caste, religion, culture and traditions. And in spite of diversity in physical features and social systems, there is unity in India. National unity is extremely essential for social peace and harmony. And social peace and harmony is very essential for growth and development of the country and the citizens of the country. Today we are discussing or looking at the fundamentals of unity. Some of the essentials of national unity are discussed here. And the essentials of national unity are language, casteism, education, communalism, and regionalism. Okay, let us just look at each of these essentials of national unity. Let us discuss language first. As we know that India is a multilinguistic, polyglot country with hundreds of languages. The Constitution of India is, of course, accepting 22 languages as official languages, and every citizen of the country must understand that every religion is of equal significance, every language is of equal significance, and every state governments in India should promote each and every language, not the very language of the state alone. And this kind of a respect for the languages of the other states or other parts of the country will, of course, enhance unity in the country, and we can still continue to uphold that India is a land of unity in diversity. Now we look at the second fundamental point or essential of national unity, that is, of course, casteism. And our country, of course, there used to be very powerful consequences of casteism in India. And casteism, any sort of casteism must end. And we know that casteism is a kind of social evil in which one caste believes that caste is superior to the other caste. And that is, of course, causing a lot of problem in the society. That will, of course, spoil the very unity in diversity in India. So any kind of casteism, practice of all kinds of casteism must end in the country. Otherwise, of course, we will not have unity in the country. And the third essential point for unity is, of course, education. And we must understand the fact that, we know the fact that literacy is essential for the growth of the country. Literacy is essential for, of course, the ingredients of unity. It is an essential ingredient of unity. And education has a lot to do. And when it comes to the education of people in India, we must ensure that there is exchange of students. Students from Kerala should go to, of course, Kashmir, and Kashmir students should come to, of course, Kerala and Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Similarly, from every state, students should go to other states, and this kind of exchange of students from state to state and, of course, place to place will, of course, enhance unity. Similarly, teachers and professors also must go to other universities in other parts of the country, other colleges, and this kind of a mutual exchange will lead to, of course, exchange of culture, language and customs and traditions, and of course there will be more unity in diversity in the country. And education again has a lot of significance. Now we come to, of course, the fourth point, that is communalism. Communalism is a discriminatory feelings of individuals against another on the basis of caste or religion, and it is a great threat and it should end. We must understand that we are all children of God, we are all sons and daughters of great India, and we must love and respect everybody in the country regardless of caste, creed, religion and color and money and all. And the fifth point is, of course, regionalism. Regionalism is in fact a practice in which one region is considered more significant than the other, or one region is given more, of course, consideration in funding and, of course, developmental projects. And it should end. Regionalism will, of course, divide the people. It's a divisive factor and it should not be there, right? We should unify people. There must be more unity in the country, and any kind of regionalism must end. So with this, we can just come to the end of the discussion on, right, the fundamentals of unity. Sure question for examination for National Cadet Corps students, and of course this can of course help general students right when they go for their state level or national level kind of entrance examinations, right? What are the important fundamentals of national unity? And we have to look at all these 5 points: language, casteism, education, communalism, and regionalism. So with that, we come to the end of this lecture. Thank you very much for listening.